Coming back to the other components of the question, these inform the contexts and populations in which the review results apply or don't apply. So if you were to exclude studies of a certain population from the review, your review results would not apply to that population. So for this review, we can look at the question and see, are all the question components there? So the question was written as, what are the risk factors associated with severe COVID-19 outcomes in children 5 years old and under? From this, we can see the population is kids 5 and under. The exposure is very loosely defined as risk factors. The comparator wasn't explicitly listed, but we can pretty much infer that it's compared to kids without risk factors. I'm not usually too picky about the comparator being listed in the question, mostly because the question can get really wordy and awkward. And then for outcomes, the outcomes are listed as severe COVID-19 outcomes. It's often helpful to look at question 2 of the CASP tool at this time, where the question asks, did the reviewers look for the right kind of studies? And here we take a look to see whether the inclusion and exclusion criteria for each of the question components was appropriate. This is where the reviewers should have provided specific definitions for what was and wasn't included in the review. You can often find this information in a table or in a paragraph about how articles were selected.